Yeah, night sky's not quite what it used to be. That applies in multiple ways because private companies are going to be sending stuff up there, and one of them already is with Starlink. Elon Musk's attempt to bring internet to the world. It's a great idea. It could give a lot of people a lot of information, be very powerful. However, a lot of us worry about it ruining the night sky for telescopes, but also ruining the night sky just for other satellites. It turns out ESA has a satellite. ALS measures wind speeds. It's a climate observation, weather observation satellite. Well, it was saying, hey, SpaceX, you're going to run into us. You've got one of your Starlinks coming at us, and check your emails. We've emailed you about this. We've told you it's there, and please check your emails. And they got no response. Check them. Seriously, you're going to run into us. And finally, ESA said, fine, we'll move our spacecraft. So they had to fire their thrusters. It reduces the lifespan of this Earth observation satellite because SpaceX evidently has an automated system built in that either didn't work or wasn't turned on for this one, or maybe ESA didn't wait long enough. Maybe it had to get even closer to collision before it would have been turned on. But turns out that they released a long report about it. Don't have time to go into it too much, but they're saying, hey, look, the current protocols aren't good enough. This emailing nonsense, that's not going to work. We need to set up more automated ways to do this and figure out who's going to move when other people are in the way. This is all new. So it's something we really have to think about going forward as companies like SpaceX and Google and who knows who else is going to want big constellations of satellites up there that can get in the way of others. It's a problem.
See, when I do my short versions of the talks, I just stick to the jokes. This is an important story, though. This is the hop. So, boy, we would love to show you. We're going to show you this, though. How many of you saw this, or saw of it? This looks like an animation. It is not an animation. It is a video, a movie taken by a drone. It is real. And this is the Star Hopper mission, a test mission from SpaceX. So, yeah, I don't know that we can take the time to watch it go all the way and land. I guess we have to. Okay, we're going to watch it land. The short version is the test is very successful. It did exactly what they wanted it to do. It rose up, it moved laterally, and it landed. Yeah. So I'm just going to race through. That's a picture of it. It has a really cool engine that burns methane instead of hydrogen. There it is at its height. How high did it go? 3 observatories high. And what is it for? Well, it's the beginning of a series of rockets that are intended eventually, and here's how big they are, to take us to destinations beyond Earth. So this is SpaceX's beginning of their program to build rockets that will make life interplanetary, to take us onto the moon and onto Mars. So it was a wonderful test, and I'm just going to show you the very beginning of this, because we liked this guy.
Come on, baby. It might be rising. Come on.
So different channel showing it.
Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, my God, it's fastly flying!
Needless to say, that is not SpaceX's feed. Oh my God, it's actually flying. Also in SpaceX's new accomplishments.
That's right. So this ship called a fairing, here it is. And nice and gracefully. This was from the August 6 launch. And it was caught by this ship called, used to be called Mr. Stevens, and now it's called Miss Tree. That was it.
Miss Tree.
Miss Tree. And there's the fairing. And why catch a fairing? Well, about $6 million falling out of the sky.